And Sam Hill is going on here now.
We just passed Cockburn Island.
Well, so what?
Well, that means we're traveling along the U.S. and Canadian boundary. The bow of the showboat is now in Canadian waters, and the stern is in United States waters. Homeland Security regulations requiring a passport stamp each time you change country.
Well, that is absolutely crazy.
I see nothing insane about the safety and security of our beloved country.
What is that?
Your passport, if you please.
No!
Please come over here. It would be rude of me to shout.
Mr. Tweedling, why did you just honk at me again?
You forgot to say thank you.
Oh. Well, thank you, Mr. Tweedling.
You're quite welcome, I'm sure.
I'm getting so sick and tired of this guy. I could just scream. Ah!
Just calm down. Hang in there. We need the money. Besides,
Soon it'll be all over.
Soon we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Soon we'll be done with the troubles of the world, home, home to live with God. Soon we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world.